Good morning, it's Tuesday the 22nd of March and this is your daily outlook. The euro remains above 142 as risk appetite stabilises. The euro rallied against the dollar yesterday as the nuclear situation in Japan appears more stabilised. World equities rose as well as risk appetite on the news that the Japanese workers were gaining control of the Fukushima nuclear reactors. As this steadily improves, demand for riskier assets increase. Rate hike expectations are also helping the single currency after ECB President Trichet signalled an early rate hike. Against the dollar, the euro jumped above the 142 level and climbed to 142.39 from 141.38. Against the Japanese yen, the US dollar is little changed, trading in a tight range at around 80.90. Investors appear cautious to push up the yen as the prospect of another G7 intervention still exists. The intervention came after the yen soared to record high levels on speculation the Japanese will liquidate their assets and repatriate their funds for reconstruction. The US dollar appears weaker against a basket of currencies as risk appetite begins to heal. US existing home sales disappointed investors by showing a decline of 9.6%, which is significantly lower than the 4.9% expected. The Australian dollar rallied against the greenback, trading well above parity and climbing to 101.01. Sterling also traded higher, climbing to $163.27 from $162.03 ahead of the UK inflation data expected later on today. Oil prices rose, supported by Middle East worries. Oil jumped to $104.08 a barrel and gold rose to $1,434.78 an ounce. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 141.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 141.65. The dollar yen pivot point is at 81.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 81.35. Today's calendar and market movers. The UK Consumer Price Index in February is forecast to gain 0.6%. UK Retail Price Index in February is forecast to gain 0.7%. Canada Retail Sales in January forecast to gain 1.1%. And US Manufacturing Index in March is forecast to fall to 23. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday, with the SP 500 up 1.5% and the Dow was up 1.5%. European bourses were also positive, with the FTSE up 1.19%, the DAX was up 2.28% and the CAC was up 2.47%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 4.36% and the Hang Seng was up 0.8%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.